Hello and welcome to the video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Toyota Corolla CE. This is a 5-passenger sedan in beige, and under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which you can use to open the trunk. Press that unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door, you have storage space. On top, you'll find your power windows and locks. Next to the door, you will find your power mirrors. This Corolla is equipped with beige cloth seating. And on the bottom, you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. On the left side of the steering wheel, you will find your buttons to control your entertainment display and your audio. In the odometer here, let's just see that this Corolla does have 79,839 kilometers on it. Up top, you will find a display that shows the time. Down to your radio, you do have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice. If we go ahead and press media, you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. Down below is your climate control system. Nice and simple, you got these nice tuning dials. Below that, you will find your USB and auxiliary. Here you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats. Below that, we have a nice little storage compartment that also features a 12-volt outlet. And behind the shifter, you will find your 2 cup holders. Center console, plenty of space, goes all the way down. And lastly, is the passenger side. We got this little shelf up top as well as this huge center console. So before we open the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom, we have some storage space just like the driver's side. Continuing with the beige cloth seating. And if we take a look inside behind the front passenger seat, you do have a nice little pocket for some storage space. And we can also pop this down, and that'll give you access to your 2 cup holders. To open up, all we gotta do is just put that key in, turn it to the right, and that trunk will open for us. There's plenty of cargo space in the back of this Corolla. Of course, the rear passenger seats do fold down, and that'll give you some extra bit of space. And if we look underneath here, you will find your spare tire and tools to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2013 Toyota Corolla CE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your steering wheel mounted audio controls, driver and passenger heated seats, power windows, and 5-passenger capacity seating. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.